Hi, I'm Hannah Sokup, the Oral History Curator at the Mansfield Library's Archives and Special Collections. And today I'm going to show you how to find maps held in archives and special collections that have been digitized and made available online. So when you're on the Mansfield Library's homepage, if you go to the Archives and Special Collections tab and scroll down to this Digital Collections tab and click on it, and then you can select Maps. And then you can type in your search terms. So I'm going to type in Frenchtown, and I'll be taken to the Montana Memory Project. And MMP contains a variety of sources from around different libraries and archives in the state of Montana, including the Mansfield Library. And so you can find digitized materials that are held all over the state of Montana. So here's a map of Frenchtown from 1883, and if I click on it, I can see the actual map, and I can make it big enough to see the entire thing on my screen. If I scroll down, I can also see a little more information about the map, so the item description, so the northeast quarter of the southeast quarter of section 34, which is useful, very useful if you're looking for coordinates. You can also take a look at the size of the map, which is right here, 57 by 51 centimeters. And then it gives you information about how to order a reproduction. So if you wanted this map, either a high-resolution digital file, or if you wanted it actually printed out, you could go to this link and you would find a form that you could fill out. Or you can just contact Archives and Special Collections and we'll be happy to help you. There's also this resource identifier, and this is really important because it's sort of like the call number. So if you are going to order a map, or if you want more information about the map and you call us, it's really good to have this number handy because then we can help you with that specific map. If you say just a map of Frenchtown, we have a lot of maps of Frenchtown that may or may not be digitized, and so it might take us a little while to figure out which one you're talking about. So this resource identifier is really helpful. Now, if you wanted to look for more things here on MMP, you can go to the advanced search. And so you'll see all the different collections that are available on MMP. So you have all kinds of things from libraries and archives and historical societies throughout the state of Montana. So you want to make sure that when you're doing an advanced search, you only select the collection that you want to search in. So if you're going to search for archival photographs, you'd want to deselect all the collections and select that one. If you wanted to search for maps, you'd want to deselect and show all, and you're going to scroll all the way down. These are in alphabetical order. Scroll down to M, Mapping Montana and the West. And this collection has maps from the Mansfield Library. It also has maps from the Montana Historical Society in Helena. So just know that when you're searching the entire Mapping Montana and the West collection, you're going to get search results for things that are held at both institutions, not just the Mansfield Library's Archives and Special Collections. And then you can scroll all the way down and you can enter your search term. You can also enter a date range. And then once you're done with that, you can click and you can find what you're looking for. So those are two ways to find digitized materials in archives and special collections, digitized maps. You can either go directly to the Montana Memory Project homepage, which is mtmemory.org, or if you're looking for things specifically held by the Mansfield Library's Archives and Special Collections, you can go to our homepage, click on Digital Collections, and then select for maps and go from there, and it will take you into the Montana Memory Project.